I am so excited. It smells delicious. I put essential oils with water. Everything just comes right off. It's so easy. I just discovered that I could put lemon, lavender, peppermint, and On Guard and Melaleuca tea tree oil into a water bottle that's made of glass and use it as a cleaning, beautiful, purifying tool instead of using a product that has chemicals and that gives me a headache. So I wanted to share this beautiful DIY recipe. Go to the last link here and try this yourself. And if you need any more tips, message me. I'd love to share you how you can use Doterra oils to clean your home and purify your home of all chemicals. This is the first time I really enjoyed cleaning. Thank you, Doterra.